Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shrishti. As the October rolls in and the cool weather approaches, it's time to switch up our skincare routines. So today I'm excited to share my updated skincare routine. So first step is face wash and I am using this Biocule Aqua Boost Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This contains aqua porine boosters plus hyaluronic acid. It has the jelly water-like texture. After using this, my skin feels super smooth and supple. It is strengthened my skin's moisture barrier for a healthy skin, so it's a thumbs up. For exfoliant, I am using this toner from The Ordinary that contains glycolic acid, so it should not be put directly into the face but should be taken into your fingers in a tiny amount and just dab dab dab. This is really helping me reducing my hyperpigmentations. So next we are moving into using a toner that is also from Biocule. Actually, I'm loving this brand currently, and this also contains the corn kernels and watermelon, and it is just water like you won't feel anything. It contains some beautiful ingredients like hyaluronic acid and pentavitine, so it is deep and long lasting hydration toner. It strengthens my skin barrier, nourishes and balances the skin pH, and makes my skin look hydrated and clean. So next we are moving to essences that is from Cosrx. I have talked so much about this product in my previous videos, so I am gonna just skip, just to let you know that winter is coming already, and if you need your hydrated skin, so you need this product in your routine. This is so good, so good. For the serum part, I am using this Biocule Aqua Boost Hydrating Serum that also contains hyaluronic acid and saccharide isomerate. That is really good for your skin elasticity. I am loving this brand right now because it contains all the natural ingredients, and I was suffering with very much pigmentation and dark spots. But this serum, see, this is really just so lightweighted and non-sticky water gel like, so you won't feel anything on your skin really. The best part is the firmness it is giving to my skin, and the bestest part is that it suits every skin type, so no worries with the skin type. And last but not the least, I am using this Cetaphil moisturizer because the winter is coming and my skin is somewhat oily but somewhat dry combination and sensitive skin. But this moisturizer is a thick moisturizer, but it works for my sensitive skin because I'm really breaking out these days, and it is really helping me calm my skin. This is the one pharma skincare product in my routine that is consistent. And last but not the least, I'm using this lip sleeping mask from Laneige because I'm not going out today, so I am using this sleeping mask as my lip balm because it is super hydrating. It is really helping me with my pigmented lips. So yeah, this was my skincare routine, the updated skincare routine. My concerns were hyperpigmentation, dullness, dryness, and sensitivity. So I have changed a lot of things. So if you like my video, keep loving and subscribe.